Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So my name is Tayo Studios. So on this channel I will show you guys money making opportunity, PayPal latest stuff, and some other online business things. So on this video I will show you guys how I restored back my PayPal account after facing limitation. So I on 17th of November last year, I created this account. They limited the account. Once they limited the account, you will see a red bar like your account has been temporarily limited. So they ask you to provide your information, provide everything. So once you provide everything correctly, they will restore your account. So this is the evidence that they restore my account. So after using the account for a while, I think someone sent JNS. Let me say something about this again. So once you create a newly created PayPal account, don't send JNS to the account, send only FNF. So one of my customer mistakenly sent JNS and they blocked the account, they limited it, or they hold the phone sef. As you can see, your phone has been held. So I now restore back the account again. As you can see the screenshot, your account has been restored. So I continue using that account for some time. So after I think someone also sent JNS again. I'm trying to look. Okay, they paused the account here. Your account features are paused. Maybe because of the heavily using. If you are using account constantly, you are withdrawing, you are receiving, you are withdrawing. So they will think you are doing fraud. So they asked me to provide my information. I provided it, and they restored my account. As you can see, the account has been restored. So that's how I used to restore almost all my accounts, because I follow the right way of creating accounts. And once I have any limitation, I have my ways of chatting them, of telling them what's up on my account. So they usually most time they usually lift the limitation for me most time. So before you can successfully lift a PayPal account, there are some things you have to know. There are some things, but that will be maybe if you contact me, I will tell you some things you have to know. So you can see here again, they asked me to provide my information here again, and they review the information here, they review it again, and they restore back the account. You can see. So they restore back the account for like, is it not 5 times or 4? So they restore back the account. So that's all. So they restore back the account till someone sent like $200 JNS again. Then they just permanently limit the account, and they have tried. My method is working. So I have done so lot of restoration. I lift limitation. So if you want me to lift your limitation on your account, if you have any limitation on your PayPal account, you can reach out to me. So on WhatsApp, or you just comment down this video, I'll reach out to you by myself. So you can subscribe to my channel if you want video like this. You want more of video like this, so you can subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.